So one thing you do not know is that you can actually create beautiful pictures like this all with the push of a button on this website I found called Higgsfield AI. And here is how to do that. The first thing you have to do is to go to the website, log in or create an account if you do not have one, and you can see from here that there are so many mind-blowing visual effects you can create. And this is just the video section. You can create them, especially if you are into sci-fi movies, or you can even use them for your shooting, for your music videos. In case you are shooting some, you can go to the image section, the Higgsfield, so which helps you create mind-blowing visual images for your projects. So you can, so for the eating food section, just go to the Higgsfield, so scroll and choose the eating food section here. Then it should bring you to a page similar to this. You can scroll down and see what speaks to you, or what you would love to recreate instantly, and go on to click on it. Then, or you can generate from scratch. You can just click on generate, but let's say I want to recreate this particular image. All I have to do is to click on it, and it takes me to a page where I can actually just copy the prompt or paraphrase it to suit my own purpose. So from this step, all you have to do is click on recreate, and it should copy the prompt for you into the prompts section, where you can actually modify it to make it yours. So this is what I mean. So bathed in golden's hour, honeyed light, a striking young woman with a sleek chestnut. No, let me just choose a striking, or let me see a striking young man. Let me just make it young, muscular man. Yeah, let me make it muscular man with sleek chestnut hair. Let me with sleek black hair tucked behind one. Let me remove this. Sits calmly at the bottom. So let me just edit this. So guys, I've gone ahead to modify the prompt. So I can change this to, the resolution here is high, and it means that I'll be using 2 credits to actually generate this image. But since I'm trying to maximize my use of the credit, I'll switch it to basic, which will allow me to use just 1 credit. I can also choose the resolution. This is 9 by 16 vertical resolution. I can make it 16 by 9, or choose any of the other aspect ratio, rather, not resolution. So I can just just click on generate and wait a few seconds while it generates the image for me. So guys, you can see the image that I have generated here, exactly what I have described. So painted in golden, a light striking young muscular man with sleek black hair tucked behind, sits calmly at a bustling street. His attire is effortlessly chic and sleek. A sky blue shirt coupled with delicate golden hoops catching the lights. So this is what I have recreated using the prompts, and you can see that I can actually download this image here, or if I want to edit it further, I can just click on animate and make it into a video, choose the type of video I want to make it into, or I can actually add a speech section to it, and I'll have my video. So that's it guys. If you have any question, let me know in the comment section below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Do have a great day, and please, we are trying to grow our channel. Would appreciate if you subscribe now. Thank you very much, and do have a great day.